Speaker of Parliament, Oraban Bagbin, they are chairperson, the Electoral Commission, and Nimami Jen Mensa, so what said Medimi Yan, one Casaba, Rashebe, the film Nasi, instrument, and one more aid who and common on one Casa didn't more Abba, Emra and Deputy Commissioner, Ora Bosman Asari, and Penfobi, and the Sansa Blocoto, Rashebe, the film, and Swan DC, and who say, a was a Mammy Jen Mensa, one Casa, Ebaho, Adom TV, et was so.
Abraham Rashebejafo ekosi nkonya na dom ketuano ene dom kese no ehia Deputy Commissioner edema Electoral Commission Bosman Asare ema ode nchechemu bi eto Rashebejwem FCI no ho no eno ana dom ketuano homo entimi ene dom kese no ene Deputy Commissioner no NC ejina ewo CI no ho na we na opinion no da dom ketuana no Dr. Atoforsen editu dwase ehun behia se chairperson edema Electoral Commission Jemensa ankasa ebeba be piemu ewo
Speaker, unfortunately, the chairperson of the Electoral Commission is not here. I recognize, the Speaker, that the deputy is here, but it is not the same as the chairperson of the Electoral Commission. It is not the same. The Speaker, most particularly, the chairperson of the Electoral Commission has consistently avoided Parliament.
Owie no opinion no dadom kese na no osechi mensa bonso editu dwase letter womo edekoma Electoral Commission no womo antro womu se womo epe eye opening Jemensa so no ankasa emechire nsimunim.
The invitation was to two institutions, and that his preference and the preference of the majority is that the two institutions should be represented by their heads. The chairperson then gave an indication that the invitation indeed was to the institutions and not to the chairs.
Na we anamrashebejemu chiame Aban Babin editu dwase ne akwedie ehun behia se Electoral Commission chairperson ankasa beba be piemu ewo mrashebejemu.
And the deputy chairperson in charge of operation is quite high enough, but he cannot be given the assurances that the chairperson will give. In the circumstances, I will be compelled to adjourn the House. We will insist that the EC be represented at the highest level, and together we'll find solutions to this. It's very, very important for the peace, the security, and the development of this nation.